Hey, it's Allison
and Hunter
from Jones Family Travels. We are on an epic adventure. We are at a Harry Potter themed home called Wizard's Way. We decided we wanted to make hot butterbeer to enjoy during our adventure here at Wizard's Way. We are gonna show you guys at home how to make a super simple, we're talking 4 ingredient recipe of hot butterbeer.
The ingredients you'll need is 10 ounces of cream soda, 1 tablespoon salted butter, 1/2 cup of butterscotch chips, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Put the butter and the butterscotch chips in a microwave-safe bowl.
Then we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, pull it out, stir it, and put it in for another 30 seconds. We have some nice melty butterscotch chips, and the next thing we're gonna do is add the heavy cream. All right, heavy cream. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell it. Ah, smells like butterbeer. We have a nice, wonderful consistency here. Oh, and it smells so good. All right, we're gonna throw it in the microwave for 30 seconds and we're gonna do it 4 times. So it's gonna actually be 2 minutes total. But just like the butterscotch chips, we're gonna actually cook it for 30 seconds, stir it, cook it for 30 seconds, stir it, cook it for 30 seconds, stir it, cook it for 30 seconds, and then we're done. All right, go for it. You wanna put it in the microwave? Our butterscotch mixture looks delicious. The next step is microwave the cream soda for 90 seconds. Finally, add the butterscotch mixture into the cream soda and pour into your favorite glass.
And you can add a little bit of whipped cream to the top. And you're done. Delicious.
We are finished with our butterbeer. Put it in the super fancy glasses they have here. Well, thanks so much for joining us. Leave a comment if you are gonna try this butterbeer recipe or if you tried it before. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for joining, and we will see you next time. Keep on dreaming.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you all.
We're gonna eat some birdie bots while we wait. What color should I pick? There's my selections. That one? Oh, please tell me. That's not the vomit one.
It's gonna be the vomit one. I don't think they have.
I don't know what that is.
No, that is vomit.
Oh, that's pretty gross.
What was your hand?
I think my eyes are watering.